Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ki Sangma ni ke sengi Leit ban Jurip ya ke jengtei ya ke sekretariat Thamai ke badang Shna New Shillong Township ya ke Pulo Market Complex bat ya ke Riverfront Development hawa Umkra Pulo. Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ulapan pau ya ke jeng sengau hun ya ke jeng pentrei ya ki da ke baong ba ke rukom Shna ya ke sekretariat ke Thamai ke penpau ya ke jeng ne bat ka jeng penwandur kat kum ke job ke pemerintah. Ula ong syuk bakane ka yeng building Thamai kan kentia yu ke rukom sensar ban pen internet ru ik jaka bat udang ap khmi lenti ba onla ban pendap no yaka.
Work for the Polo Mall is complete, and now we are under the process of renting out or leasing out the different shops that are there. The work is going on in full swing. In fact, the excavation work and the foundation work also is going on at a very fast pace, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work. And we expect that the project should be completed on time. We are here in the Umir to Maukunu, this beautiful road, newly constructed road, which is of course part of the overall plan to build up the entire administrative and the knowledge city. Very important connectivity and a very important infrastructure, and as you can see, the road has come up very well.